Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the designer, which is the main area in which you're going to use in Webflow. So starting from the top left, as you click on the W, you're going to access the dashboard, the project settings, and the editor. But let's move on to the actual element below, which will allow you to add elements. So if, for example, you want to add a div block, you can simply get it from here, drag and drop it into the Webflow canvas. And it's a very easy way to actually just add elements, and it's very intuitive. As we go down, here you're going to have the pages. So these are all the pages of your website, and you're going to basically have the complete overview of your website from this panel over here. As we move down even further, you're going to have the CMS, which is the content management system of Webflow, which is really good, and it's something that will definitely help you to create more flexible projects. And over here you're going to see all the different details of the sections. One stop below, you're going to have the assets. So that means mainly the images and other assets which are relevant to your website, which are used in your website. And again, you can simply drag and drop them over here, and it's very easy to use and quite intuitive overall. One step further, you're going to have the settings, and over here you're just going to see all the settings relevant to a specific part in Webflow. As we go down, you have some more granular tools, such as hide the element edges, hide the empty elements. You can also have the grid overlay, which will allow you to see like the grid on the background, and enable X-ray mode, and some other things such as the video tutorials. Now, if you go on the top, you're going to see these different responsive sizes, which is a great feature because as you click on it, you're going to see the live preview of the tablet version, and also the mobile in landscape and mobile in portrait. And you can also tweak the sizes by using this part over here, and it's pretty useful. You're going to see on the very bottom the exact pixel width that you're currently at. So it's really great for prototyping and to test things out. Now, if you want to see the preview of the website, you can go on the top left, and as you can see, there is this eye icon, which if you just click on it, you're going to see a live preview, and you can click it again to go out from the preview. And on the right, you're also having this great option to export the code. So if you click on it, I believe that you have to have a Lite or Pro plan to export the website code. However, that's a great feature which allows you to export the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other assets. And it really is a great feature from Webflow because it allows you to export this very clean code, which is great. And as you go on the right, you can also see the option to publish the Webflow website. So this is great. You can either do it via Webflow or via a custom domain, which is something that can be really useful. And as we go on the right, you're going to have a lot of options to really go into the granular details of the visual part. So if, for example, we want to make the text smaller, we can go over here, and you can simply adjust the size, and you have all sorts of different options, from the typography to pretty much everything you can think of. And the great thing is that you don't have to fiddle around with CSS from the backend point of view, so you don't have to hard code all of that stuff. You can simply upgrade it and really tweak it from here. So yeah, overall it's just a great tool. And yeah, this is an overview of the designer. We're going to go much more in depth in the following videos. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'd be happy to get back to you.